Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, hi, my name is Amber, and today we are going to be doing an activewear haul try-on from a company called Halara. So they reached out to me and offered to send me 3 outfits to try on and review for y'all. I'm going to leave all the information on all the outfits, the names, sizes, everything that you need in the description box below. So let's go ahead and try these clothes on, and I'll be back in a minute to tell you my thoughts. Okay, so the first piece I'm going to try on is a dress, and I will put the names and description, the size, and everything that I'm wearing somewhere around here. This is a little athletic dress. It's a one-piece with shorts attached that also have pockets so you can store your phone. I love how stretchy it is, and it is very flattering. It really makes my figure, it makes me feel thin and just snatched, and I really like how it looks. It's very comfortable. I'm not wearing a bra. It has inserts inserted in there. I just threw it on and out the door. So this is a really great little activewear piece that is both comfortable and functional, and it really, like I said, flatters my figure. Next piece. Okay, next piece I have is, or outfit actually, is the sports bra and the leggings. The sports bra is in a dark navy blue, and the leggings are in the color ice blue. These are so comfortable, stretchy, they have pockets, and I love the detail and the stitching. It really accentuates my curves, makes my figure look nice. They're very high-waisted, and they do have a band here up at the top, so as you're working out, they're going to stay in place. I love the sports bra. It does have padding inserts. They are removable. The back has a cute detail in it, and it does feel like it's a good medium to high impact sports bra. So here is outfit number 2. I will definitely be wearing this to the gym. All right, be right back with outfit number 3. Okay, outfit number 3, I have a white cropped tank that does have the built-in sports bra with the cups. They are removable. And a pair of the booty scrunch leggings, or in my mind, they will forever be referred to as the TikTok leggings. So let me show you guys this outfit. Leggings from the front and from the back. These definitely accentuate the booty. The scrunch detail really makes my butt pop. I do like the look of these leggings. I will say, because of the scrunch, it has a different feel in the back, like someone took all the material and scrunched it up. So as you're walking, it does kind of give you a bit of that wedgie feeling, but as you get used to it, it's really not uncomfortable. The top of the leggings have a nice loose, not fitted, there's no band up top. They're very, very comfortable, very, very stretchy. I love this crop top. This is something I would wear just with a pair of jeans. Like I said, it's got the liner built in, and it's just a basic white crop. I love that it has the sports bra kind of built into it. So I'll go ahead and show you all the angles here. And that is it for all 3 outfits. I will be right back to share my thoughts. Okay, so pros and cons here. The only con that I can tell you is when I originally ordered, as far as the sizing chart goes, typically in activewear, I'm a kind of in between a small and a medium. I'm a size 4 in American Eagle. I'm 5 foot, about 125, and I have a very curvy type figure. So typically I'm a small to medium bottoms and I'm a small top. So when I ordered my original order, I went based on the size chart and a couple of pieces were a little bit snug. So I will say that if you are curvy like me, if you're in between sizes, then size up. The company was so gracious to exchange some things for me so that when I did my video, I tried everything on and everything fit and looked well for you all. Other than the sizing snafu that happened at first, I am extremely pleased with the quality, with the comfort, with the feel, everything about all of the pieces. These are all outfits that I will wear and that I'll continue to wear and I'll get a lot of use out of. So that being said, I do recommend, I will probably be purchasing more from this company just because I really like the pieces. I like how they fit. I love the style. They have a whole range of colors and everything was just really good quality. And since I'm a gym rat and even when I'm not in the gym, I live in athletic wear, I really get use out of it. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. If you are interested in trying any of these pieces out, again, check out the description box below. They've also given me a 20% off discount code for all of y'all. So Amber20, and I'll link all of that in the description box again below. So if you do end up shopping or picking up any pieces, make sure that you use that discount code. I don't get any commission or anything from it. It just gives you guys a little bit of a discount. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know if y'all like these kind of try on videos and hauls, and I would love to do more of them for you. I appreciate all of your support on my channel, and I will see you in the next one.